The ocean floor is filled with many unique creatures and animals. But did you know that the ocean floor also contains lakes and rivers? That's right, the ocean has its own lakes and rivers. There are animals that only live in these lakes and rivers. In this picture, you can see that this pond has its own cliff and its own sandy beach. In this next picture, you can see Lake Brine located on the ocean floor. Here is a picture of a scuba diver exploring a river located on the ocean floor. Not only does the ocean contain lakes and rivers, but it also has its own volcanoes. Almost 80% of all volcanoes are located in the ocean. Let's find out more.
Scientists believe that 80% of the volcanic eruptions on Earth take place in the ocean. Most of these volcanoes are thousands of feet deep and difficult to find. But in May of 2009, scientists captured the deepest ocean eruption ever found. Nearly 4,000 feet below the surface of the Pacific Ocean, in an area between Samoa, Fiji, and Tonga, the West Mata volcano was discovered. The explosions of molten rock were spectacular. This volcano was producing Bonanite lavas, believed to be among the hottest erupting on Earth. Scientists also witnessed molten lava flowing across the deep ocean sea floor, and spotted shrimp living near the volcano's most active areas. This research allows us to closely examine how ocean islands and undersea volcanoes are born. It may also shed light on how heat and matter transfer from the interior of the Earth to the surface, and how life adapts to some of the harshest conditions on our planet. Finding West Mata was a huge break for scientists, and for those interested in seeing what takes place in the deepest depths of our ocean.
If you think that's cool, look at this mountain range also located underwater. These mountains stretch to be about 50 miles long. These mountains form by magma or lava rising and cooling, which form a new rock. The seafloor then separates and spreads apart to form more mountains. So, we know that there are lakes, rivers, volcanoes, and mountain ranges all in the ocean. But did you know that there is also an underwater waterfall? This waterfall is located between Greenland and Iceland in an area known as the Denmark Strait. This waterfall is caused by cold water, which is denser or heavier than hot water, which makes it sink. When cold water pours into slightly warmer water, the water plunges straight down, just like the Niagara Falls, only slightly slower, much more quietly, and almost invisibly, since it all happens underwater. This discovery is slightly new, and many scientists and researchers are fascinated by it. What other mysterious and cool things do you think the ocean can be hiding?